Hello everybody, welcome back to Business Friday where we focus at polishing your business and sales skills. My name is Nidhi Vadera. I am a sales coach, author, business consultant, and thank you so much for your love and response to these videos. When you tell me that the content has helped you, that truly makes my day. It inspires me to do even better. But having said that, I hope that you're not just watching these videos, but you are taking action as well. As I mentioned last week, today we are going to learn how to create a comparative analysis of your own products or service with other similar products or services that are available in the market. So basically, we will try to find out what you have to offer and what others have to offer in your own category. Today is going to be another exciting video. You are going to learn a lot. But before that, if you are new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now and become a part of this community. Now, in the previous video, you have already learned about how to identify and list down the features, benefits, and advantages of the products and services that you're selling. If you haven't watched this video, the link is somewhere here, you can watch it later. So you first write down the feature of the product, then you write down what is the benefit of having that particular feature, and finally, that benefit has a specific advantage for the customer. What is it? But the thing here is that even if you know your product or service inside out, your customer doesn't know it. And they will have questions like, how are you different? What is unique about you? Now, if you want to answer these kind of questions successfully, the only way is through a comparative analysis, and that is what we are going to focus at today in this video. Comparing one thing to the other as it is a basic human nature. You know, both you and your customer, you do it all the time before buying. When you have to buy something for yourself, don't you check it out on different websites? Don't you go to different stores? You compare it with different products and services. You compare the prices, you compare the features, etc., etc. So when you step out in the market to sell, your customers do exactly the same. So the answer to your customer's question about how you are better from others, if you want to answer that, you will have to create a comparative list. So right now, I want you to think about 1, 2, or maybe 3 competitors who sell the same product or service as you do. I have created a small comparative chart for your reference in which you just have to fill in the details, okay? On the left hand side, it says you. That means your company. Then on the right side, we have +0.1, +0.2, and +0.3. Under each plus point column, you have to write down one thing that you feel is your competitive advantage over the others. For this, you can take the help of the feature, benefit, advantage list that you have created earlier. Then on the left hand side, write down competitor 1, competitor 2, and competitor 3. And then based on the plus points that you have listed for your product or service, check whether your competitors are offering it or not. So as you can see in the first column, none of your competitors have the first plus point that you have, which is great. You have a differentiator. In the second column, you observe that competitor 2 has the same first and third point as you do, but doesn't have the second plus point. So when your customers compare you with competitor 2, highlight your second plus point. Competitor 3 has only the same third point as you do, so your highlight becomes point number 1 and 2. So with this comparative chart, you have a clear idea of what to tell your customers if they compare you to your competition and they ask you, how are you different? Your strategy should be to talk about the differentiation, to talk about the uniqueness over and above what everybody else has. So in a nutshell, if your customer is using any of your competitors, the comparative analysis will give you the strength to adjust your sales strategy, highlight your plus points, and win the sale. Also, when you tell your customers that how are you different from your competition, it becomes easy for them to trust you because then they feel that you have done your homework. Now, some of you may tell me that, Nidhi, my product has more than 3 plus points, which is perfectly all right. Anything between 3 and 5 is fine when it comes to the plus points, but beyond that, I will tell you a no because then it becomes too much of information for your customers to remember. So choose your best 3 to 5 plus points, compare it with your competition, and just be ready to win the deal. If you have just started your sales journey, you've just started your business, you do not know who your competitors are, do not worry. When you step out in the market to sell, your customers only will tell you, oh, we are already using him, oh, we are already working with them. So you will get all the information. My only advice here is that you must memorize your plus points and your differentiators so well that even if somebody stops you in the middle of the road and asks you, how are you better than the others, you should be able to answer that question. When you know your advantages and at the same time you know your competitor's weakness, nothing can stop you from winning business. So after you finish watching this video, do create a comparative analysis for whatever product or service that you are selling, and then step out in the market with sky high confidence. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Next week, I'm going to discuss with you how you can design your own sales process and pace up your business. If you like this content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video with your family and friends, and do subscribe to the channel. Until next week, love your numbers, work hard for your dreams, and remember, it is not going to work out till you start having fun. Happy selling.